Hello visitors, welcome to channel Professor Abhinoj Hover class. Today topic is basic of network security. Here is one diagram drawn for you. Here number of computers are there. One mobile is also available. Scanner, printer, one tower also as well is there. So my friends, what all these are showing? As we have known, we are in living in the techno world where every person, every child, every old age person are connected by computer. So computer works on a network, and the question is what is network? In simple language, if we say network is a set of devices which are connected by communication links. Now one thing to understand is what are communication links. So if I try to show you, the links can be wired, the links can be wired or wireless. The links can be wired or wireless. Now if I try to show you, the computers here is connected by one router and one router is connected by a number of PCs. As shown in the picture, one router is connected with 3 PC and one single PC is connected by number of users. Second PC is connected by number of clients which are working on the front end, and third PC is connected with number of end users which are connected on the back end, which are unknown to us. Now the single computer is connected by wired or wireless with a tower. Now tower which is installed in our locality or on a higher end is again connected with number of users which are connected by mobile. We all know mobile is a wireless device which is connected by number of wireless or wired devices. Here one picture is shown that a single mobile is connected with printer. Nowadays this connection is also wireless or wired, and printer is connected with scanner. So the picture all shows that this communication is established by wireless or wired, and all this is possible because of technology as well as the network is established. Now the second point of the basic of network security is communication can be one way or two way. Now one way means a communication in which only single user is able to speak or transfer its valuable data to its user, its end user. In two-way communication, single way communication is this mobile. Mobile can give information to printer just to print whatever data it is receiving. But in two-way communication, what is happening? Computer giving information to tower, and tower is uploading to another user. Whatever information tower is receiving, this information has been uploaded on a computer, and computer is providing all the information to its number of users. So by means of sharing its information to another person and having information from another person to itself is come under two-way communication. This is all about basic network security. Today we have learned about network, types of network. In spite of types of network, we learn types of communication in which we come across one way and two way. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you will understand the basic network, how the network works, how with the help of networks, computer, our devices work. In the next video, we will learn about parameters which come under network security. Thank you friends. I hope you like the video.